Welcome to the Roanoke River Lighthouse in Edenton, North Carolina. Starting its life as a light ship, a vessel that aids in maritime navigation, it was anchored out in the Albemarle Sound at the mouth of the Roanoke River. Lost by storms, then rebuilt a time or two as a lighthouse, it was used, decommissioned, and then schlepped out by barge to a private island where it was left to rot. It was then acquired by the Edenton Historical Commission, restored, and then given to the state of North Carolina. See the link below to an article on Edenton's Historical Commission's page about the structure, about it almost being dropped into the Sound like two other lighthouses from the area in an attempt to relocate them, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.